So here we created a game in Python. Here you can see screen size we have 1200 width and 800 height, grid size 20, then we have snake size is also 20, snake speed is 6, obstacles in each level we have 20, then level will up after 2 score, then we have maximum level 100. Run the code. Now you can see here different instructions. When user will press S, game will start. With I, we can see the instructions how to play the game. So we will use arrow keys to move the snake, press B key to go to the main menu, and then Q to quit the game. Now we will start the game. Now you can see here this is the snake in green color, and here we have the food in red color, and we have other obstacles, and in each level we need suppose 2 score to level up. Now you can see here score. Now you can see here level is 2. Now you can see the level is 2. Level is 4. Level 5. Level 6. Level 7. Level 8. Level 9. Now the level is 10. Level increased, it's now 11. Level 11. So if the snake touched the boundary or any obstacles or itself, game over. So here we have maximum level 100, and here we can change this. We will level up after 5 score. Obstacles in each level we have 20. Snake speed we can increase, suppose 12. Run. Now you can see the snake speed is bit increased. Now as we increase the level, now after 5 score the level will increase. So we can further modify this game, like here you can see the snake speed is constant and the number of obstacles we have constant in each level 20. So we can modify this and we can change the snake speed with level, and accordingly we can change the number of obstacles in each level. And done. Now you can see we have level 2. Now you can see we have level 2. So if the snake touch the boundary, game over. if the snake touch any obstacle, game over. Now when the snake will touch itself, game over. So if the snake touch itself, game over. Now here you perform this. So we can increase snake speed. Like now it is suppose 50. Suppose it is now 50. Run. Now you can see the snake speed. Now you can see the snake speed we have 50. Right now snake speed we have 50. So that's all about this video. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And thanks for watching this video.